In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove bounce emails from Mailchimp. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is mailchimp.com. Into this part, you have two options. You can either sign up if you do not have an account yet. You can head over and sign up using Google or email. But if you already have an account like I did, head over and click onto this login option that we can see right here, then log in into your account. So here is my account. So in order to actually understand this, we first need to categorize. We have hard bounces and we also have soft bounces. Technically, hard bounces indicates that the email is invalid or non-existent and they are automatically removed by Mailchimp themselves. For soft bounces, like temporary issue like full inboxes, Mailchimp continues to send to these email addresses until a certain threshold is reached. You can head over right here to your audience in order to see all the list of all the contacts that you have. You can see them right here. And if you want to remove them yourself, you can just click onto this checkbox, click onto this three dot and delete it. Or you also have the option to archive it if you would want to as well. We just need to head over and identify those emails or audience into this particular dashboard, then manage those contacts by deleting or archiving them in order to remove those bounce emails. So, for example, this customer is still subscribed, so you can head over and edit them if you would want by clicking onto this email subscription and changing them to unsubscribe or pending if you would want. So just choosing here the actual status and archive them if you would want to into this particular part. You can have the option to permanently delete them and regularly check them for repeated soft bounces if you have any. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.